So right now I'm going to show you one glitch for the planet, then I'm going to show you all of the weapons. I'm going to kill that guy because the glitch will be extremely hard. Kill him. Actually, I do have two glitches for this part. First glitch is kind of this game, I don't know. So instead of having to go up this one, then going through all that other crap, just do 3, jump, and there you go. So you just do more, right there, shoot 3, okay, I'm just gonna get my razor claws. Okay, then you get back your gelanator, shoot, again. Then you're just right there, and you're out. Okay, so that's the first, well, that's the only glitch. This part. So I have it to fly away. Okay, then let me just start with the first weapon of the game. Combustor. It's not that good, I don't think. Sounded good? Okay. Next one, the fusion belt. Yeah, that's right. It's pretty good weapon. Okay, that's it. Okay, there we go. And then I think plasma stalkers are next. Yes. Go with them. They attack. That, and they will fall right there, as you can see. Next weapon, the Doom Blades. They bounce off stuff and they come. As you can see, when you shoot some. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm going to use the Raptor launcher. It's like this thing. It has lock on target. It's a pretty good weapon. Pretty good. Okay. And then we have the Toxics, which automatic stuff, and they attack automatically. They're really hard to get to maximum level for the skill point. They will up your arsenal though, so yeah. And there's this one. This incinerator thing I do not care about. See, it's pretty much just fire and okay, next one I'll do the gadgets later, or devices. I might get some off Ken. Okay, and this one, as you all know, or you should know, start playing. What's up this room? It's like the best one weapon in the game. Yeah, pretty much. Okay, now since there's a big herd of them, I'm going to get that. This is a tornado controlled by using the axis, and this, it's like a big tornado, kills them all, owns them, and that's all it is. Nothing too much. Okay, now I'm going to get back. Okay, I'm just gonna use one time. You can also get a skill point for doing this. Okay, so we're going around. I'm gonna change, and I got the adjudicator, or negotiator. Yeah, the short ones. Okay, so we're ready for that. Okay, look. It's pretty much the bazooka. And yeah, I am out of ammo. And here's the Nitro Reapers thing. The Nitro Reaper, more of a shotgun type. Yeah. Look at this. Killed all of them, pretty much. Right, no. Okay, next weapon I shall show you. This. It's like a whip, pretty much. And it whips them. Ah! This. Yeah, that's pretty much all it does. It's not the best thing for it, and it doesn't stun them that long. So don't be expecting it to stun them for a long time. Okay. I'm just gonna go to another place. Okay, so you pretty much. Oh wait. Okay, now next one I should show you is a magnet, cannon. Omega net cannon. You get your enemy into a net and just kills them. I go to this place to upgrade my weapons. Okay, as you can see, he's winning a ball, and then she died. Okay, and then a bunch of other random stuff falls out of it and tries to get them. They fight horribly. Okay, next weapon I shall show you. Okay, well, I'll show you this weapon if I can. Right now I'll show you the Rhino. It has a bunch of lasers coming out of it. Like that. It's the best weapon you can. It takes all the challenge out of it. And it just goes. Okay, there we go. I'm just gonna quickly die. Alpha cannon. There's no enemies. Okay, I'm just gonna. There he goes. More of a. I don't know what's called. It's a really strong bazooka. It's stronger than the gelanator. Okay, so there you go. That's that weapon. Okay, next weapon is the Vuitton. There he is dancing. You don't see using enemies. It's paired. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna use enemies. There you go. Whoa. Oh. Looks like we got a bunch of dancing enemies. Penguins. Cool hat. Now I'm all gonna put them in. There you go. Okay. Next device, the helipods. They are used to lift stuff that you can, you're supposed to lift. The stuff, they're not working. Visicopter. It's a little helicopter, but it likes to go up and yeah, squirt. Weapon, Mr. Zukon. Okay, that's not Mr. Zukon, that's James the Galactic Defender. That's, you can use that for cheats, and he looks retarded. And he does not speak. Okay, now Hell Pirate disguise. Yes, sir. So he just sits it. Then the leech bomb. There we go. Pretty much kills them all. And that's it. Now, this may be the final device. The springs of death. Death springs. It's just a bunch of springs. And I never use this weapon. Or device. I don't know. So yeah. That's pretty much all of the weapons for the thing.